Hello, in today's video I will be showing you guys how to convert any video or image into an animation slash like an anime type of animation, you could say. So to do this, we will be using this website called GoEnhance.ai, and we'll just click get started. I already made an account, but you'll have to make an account first, and you're given 45 coins, which you can use to actually be able to get the video back from the website. And if you want more coins, you are going to have to pay, or you could just continue making different accounts with different emails. And there's basically 3 types of versions, but I'm just gonna show you guys this one, video to video. And as you can see, here's an example. So they used this video, just 12 seconds long. I'll just play a few seconds, and it turned into this. And now I'm gonna actually use my own video of LeBron James dunking. I'm gonna put it right here, and you can see. And then we're gonna keep it at 3 seconds, just so. Wait, is it the same time? 9 minutes. Yeah, we'll keep it at 3 seconds, so it takes 6 minutes. I'm gonna generate this, and I'll be back when it's done to show you guys the results. Okay, I'm back, and as we can see, the video is done. Something I forgot to mention beforehand is there's actually different styles you can pick from, and I guess the default was a cute anime style, but you have this style, Japanese, you have a 3D CG style, you have Pixar style. So it's not just limited to anime styles, it's also other cartoon-ish styles, even pencil style. This kind of looks like manga, but it's ink. Anyway, now I'm gonna show you guys the video, and yeah, that's how it looks. I will now very quickly just play it like full screen, so you'll see the before and after, and then I'll return back to video. Okay, so yeah, that's about it for this website. There's also this right here, where you can create character animation with only one image, in which I just upload an image and they will create something for me. So let me find an image real quick and I'll be back with you guys. Okay, I'm back. I found an image of Kendrick Lamar, and I'm not gonna upload no motion video. Wait, try the following. Okay, we could try the following. Is it gonna make Kendrick do this? I guess this would be pretty funny to see. We'll keep it origin, and then the style here we can change to anime, and then we'll keep it for 3 seconds, and I'll generate this, and I'll be back with you guys when this is done as well. Okay, we're back, and we have the results right here. From what I can see, it doesn't look that good, I can't lie, but what I'm assuming they did is they combined this image and this video that we picked, even though I thought I picked this, but I don't know. It's definitely not that. So let's see the result. That's supposed to be Kendrick. Yeah, that's terrible. I'm not even gonna lie, that's pretty bad. But at least this video to video was pretty decent. The character animation wasn't the best. There is also one more feature which I'm not gonna show you guys, and you can check it out for yourselves. But it's just image enhancer and upscaler. And we'll go right here, and you just upload an image, you change the creativity, the scale factors, you put a prompt, so you could say make the bird eat a burger or make it look fat or something, and I'd assume that's what it would do. And yeah, that's about it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and peace.